Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to post on Pinterest. What you need to do, first just go to Pinterest and log in your account, and then just click here, create, and then create pin. Now here just you can drag and drop or click to upload your image. I will click here and then I will upload from my desktop. I already have an image here. Okay, this is the image, and here just you can add the title, for example best recipes. Tell everyone what your bin is about. You can explain more about the bin if you want to do. Add all text, and here just you can add and to explain more about it. Add a destination link. You can give a link for a website that you took this picture to give a credit, and after that just click here, publish. But first of all you need to create a board here. I don't have board. Just click here and just give a name for this, for example best food. Keep this board secret. You can select it, it's up to you, and then just click create, and then click publish. Just wait for a few seconds. Yes, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to post on Pinterest. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.